Okay, my name is Laura Lynn from the Braiding Lounge Academy in London. We're about to show you a quick version of how to do a beehive on someone's hair. Okay, so we're going to part the hair from ear to ear. I'm going to section that forward bit away from the back half of the hair. For now, we're going to put the back half into a ponytail. We're then going to make a little concoction with some synthetic hair and a piece of net. This is going to form our mould for our beehive. It is a bit of a cheat, but it works. So we're going to take what we've made, our little mould for synthetic hair, in a piece of netting, and we're going to pin that to the midsection of the client's crown. While you're pinning it to shape it in the shape that you desire, and also the height of the bump will be determined at this time. We're then going to begin to take sections of the hair and back comb it with a fine tooth comb. First, take a section from the middle, back comb it from the root halfway up the hair shaft, and allow it to fall over your moulded bump. We're then going to repeat that on either side of the mould. And as you can see already, you can begin to see the shape of the beehive forming. So we carry on this process. Of backcombing the hair so we can begin to smooth it over the mould that we have made. Once you've covered the 3 sections with the hair that you've just backcombed roughly, you can secure this with a pin. This is now going to leave you a section at the front that you can use to smooth over what you've already done. I'm only slightly backcombing these sections at the front because I want them to remain fairly smooth and neat for me to manoeuvre. But again, each section that I backcomb, I'm then going to tease and mould over the rest of the beehive. Using the hairspray as and where you see fit. Going to continue to mould this over the back of your beehive. So we're just pinning up the side sections. As you see, in each section that I've backcombed, as I've backcombed it, I've then moulded it up into the beehive area and secured it with a bobby pin. Okay, and then we take the front section up, and I've just given you an option to sweep it to the sides and around the side of the beehive, so we're going to be incorporating it in rather than leaving it out. And then we're going to secure that section with a bobby pin as well. And that is how you do a beehive. Okay, so there we have the beehive. Okay, now you can make it as high or as broad as you want on your head. The shape of it depends on the look you're looking for, okay? But that's basically just how you do a quick beehive by stuffing the hair, okay?